Hey everyone, ready to jumpstart your fitness journey? Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick and effective HIIT workout designed specifically for beginners. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is all about short bursts of intense activity followed by a brief period of rest. It's perfect for burning calories and boosting your metabolism in a short amount of time. First things first, don't forget to warm up. Start with some light jogging on the spot or dynamic stretches for about 5 minutes. This preps your muscles and gets your heart pumping. Alright, let's dive into the workout. We'll be doing 4 exercises, 30 seconds each, with a 15-second rest in between. Repeat this circuit 3 times. Ready? Exercise 1. Jumping jacks. Stand tall and jump, spreading your legs and arms wide. Then jump back to the starting position. Keep it going for 30 seconds. Remember to breathe. Next up, squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, then lower your hips back and down as if you're sitting in a chair. Push through your heels to come back up. Keep your chest lifted and don't let those knees go past your toes. Third exercise, high knees. Run in place, bringing your knees up to your chest as high as you can. Pump those arms to keep the momentum going. It's all about speed here. Final exercise, plank. Get down on your forearms and toes. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold it for 30 seconds. Feel the burn. Fantastic job. Remember to cool down with some light stretching. You've just completed a HIIT workout. Stick with this routine a few times a week and you'll see amazing results in no time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly fitness tips. You've got this. Until next time, stay active and keep pushing forward. Bye!